Hi guys, now we'll see Leetcode SQL question number of unique subject taught by each teacher. So here we have a table named teacher. In this table there are few columns like teacher ID, subject ID, department ID, where subject ID and department ID is the primary key of this table. Now each row in this table indicates that teacher. That means for every teacher, each row tells what is the teacher ID, which all subjects he or she teach, in which all department he or she teach. Now we have to write a SQL query to calculate number of unique subjects each teacher teaches in the university, and this we can like result return the result in any order. Like we'll see the example to understand this in a better way. Like this is the teacher table. Here we have columns teacher ID, subject ID, department ID. And if we'll see teacher with teacher ID 1, he teaches two unique subjects like subject ID 2 and subject ID 3. So we'll return 1 as teacher ID and count as 2. And if we'll see for teacher ID 2, he or she teaches four unique subjects with subject ID 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll return teacher ID 2 and count as 4. Now how we can approach this question? So approach is quite similar if we group the rows having similar teacher ID, and then on that group just we can count what is the number of unique subject ID that group has. So in that way we'll simply get what is the teacher ID and count of the unique subject. So this can in SQL we can simply do group by teacher ID and then apply aggregate function count distinct on subject ID. So like we'll see the actual query so that we can understand this concept in a better way. So in the output table we need teacher ID and count column. So we are selecting teacher ID and count column from teacher table. Then we are doing group by teacher ID, so we can apply aggregate function count distinct on subject ID. Then we'll get whatever we want as the resultant table.